Hi, I'm Heaven and welcome to Conscious Cooking. I'm here with Brooke from the Bodhi Restaurant, and today we're going to show you how to make a watermelon tuna katsu. Okay, so we're going to take the watermelon. Brooke, if you cut that up, this dish is absolutely delicious and very, very Moorish. I've actually really enjoyed eating this recently. So we're going to cut a few slices of watermelon. You want to cut them to the size of the steak that you intend to eat, and it will shrink a little bit in size when you put it in the oven. So you're going to take your watermelon and you are going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on it. So now we're going to make the marinade, and here we've got some soy sauce. You're going to add this to your blender, sesame oil, a little rice wine vinegar, and we like to use a white miso paste, some freshly chopped ginger, a little chili flakes, some tahini, and a bit of lime juice. And you're just going to blend this until it all comes together and is smooth. So once your marinade is smooth, you're going to pour it over your watermelon. And then you're going to fridge this for about 2 hours, or you can even leave it overnight. So once your watermelon has been marinating for 2 hours or overnight, you're going to take it out of the fridge. So while you're patting it dry, I'm going to make the crust, and we're going to take a little bit of water and add it to some flour. And you just want to whisk that a little bit. And then on the side, I have a little bit of panko crust as well, or crumbs to make the crust. And you want this to be a little bit thick so that it sticks to the watermelon. So if your crust isn't thick enough, you can always double crumb it by taking it back and dipping it in your flour and water mixture, and then the panko dressing one more time. And that'll give it a nice crispy crust.
Heat your pan, oil in.
Okay, once your oil is hot enough, just going to really gently place it in. And you're looking for a, golden brown consistency?
Golden brown, crunchy. Make sure you seal your edge to make it even.
Okay, so once your crust is ready, you're going to pop it on a paper towel just to drain some of that excess oil. And we're just going to let that rest a little bit on the side. And while we're doing that, let's make the salad. So I've got a little bit of fresh basil leaves here, and some mint, some lemon juice, some lemon zest, and some white vinegar. Okay, so you're just going to blend this well.
Now we're going to put the salads together. We have some mixed leaves, radish, basil, mint, some avocados, pistachios.
That looks super pretty. Okay, and I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of that beautiful dressing that we just made over the top.
Let's cut the watermelon.
Yep.
And cut it to the size that you like, thick,
Thin. I like mine to be just about 1 or 2 centimeters in thickness. Oh, that crunch is perfect. And the reason you wanted it to cool a little bit is so that the crust actually holds its consistency and doesn't break apart. So it should be just warm to the touch. And there you have it, a delicious tuna watermelon katsu.